All right. Hello, guys. This is RAYON FX GOAT. I'm coming to you live right now, wherever you're watching me from. Welcome to this live video. I was listening to this song. This song reminds me of my wife, my goat. If you're watching me right now, my goat, I just want to appreciate you wherever you are. This song reminds me of the good days where you used to take care of me when I was broke. Hey, hey, hey. Kana nkile ka nna broke ke sena madi ke le broke ke sena le 20 pula, and Margot was there for me. She was supporting me, she was buying me food, she was buying me clothes. She was supporting me every time. She was giving me money for the taxi, she was giving me money for everything that I wanted in my life. So this is the time to appreciate my wife and whatever she's doing in my life. I'm so honored, and I'm so humble to have such a wife. It's a privilege to have somebody who can stand with you in the days of troubles, in the days of where you are broke. It's not easy for a woman to support you or to be with you when you are broke. I'm telling you, woman, if you're watching me right now, I'm telling you, listen to me very carefully. Listen, your life is too short. I'm telling you, your life is very short. And if it is the most difficult decision, or the most stupidest decision, or the most dangerous decision you can do in your life. I am telling you. Why? Because if you look for somebody who has money, you are going to love them for their money. You are not going to love them for who they are. And I want to encourage my sisters out there. If you are watching me, you are a sister, you are a woman, you are not yet married, or you are looking for somebody to settle with. Let me tell you something. Let me advise you here. My name is RAYON FX GOAT. I know what I'm talking about. If you are looking for somebody to date, and that person, you are looking for him because he has money, listen, you are making the most stupidest and the most dangerous decision in your life. Your numbers of living in this world, your years of living in this world, they are numbered. Mark my words. A ile gore o batla monna, o batla gore a go nyale because o lebile gore o na le madi, o na le dikoloi, o na leng. Listen to me. You are making the most dangerous mistake. Are you hearing me? So, this video, I just went live to appreciate my wife because of what she has done in my life. I just wanted to appreciate my God as I'm speaking to you right now. You see this car that I'm driving now? You see this car? Huh? You see this car? This car, I bought it today. I bought it for my good. And she doesn't even know that I bought this car for her. Are you hearing me? But why should I do this? It's her birthday on the 31st of December, and I had to surprise her with something. So it came as an early present. So I want to encourage all the women out there, if you're watching me, don't date a man because you need or you want his money. You are making the most dangerous mistake in your life. That man is not going to love you. He's going to use you. And you are going to be a slave to that person. Are you hearing me? Let me take off my sunglasses. Ibile be ke bua ka Setswana. Ke batla gore le ntlhaloganye bo mme ba Botswana, basadi, basop. Be careful. Don't find yourself in a position whereby you'll be dating somebody because they have money. I'm talking from experience. My wife met me when I was nobody, when I had nothing, literally nothing. Literally nothing. Even a bank account, I did not have a bank account. So she took me from that level And by then, remember, she was a student. You know, she was doing her degree. She was doing her degree. Remember, she has a degree. She graduated. And, you know, in those days when she was studying at school, at the varsity, you know, she used to support me with her allowance. You know, she used to give me money. She used to do a lot of things for me. Ka allowance ya hawe. So, women, if you're watching me right now, listen. Bo slay queen, bo tswa ha bo hella hale. Ra utlwana? Bo slay queen, bo tswa ha bo helela hale. Ha bo last. It does not last. Mark my words. Listen, this life, it has a lot. It is a lot. You know, there is a lot to be done in this life. So my wife, she met me on my days of trouble, on my days of suffering, on my days when I used to be nobody. Hello, say, how are you? I'm good, sir. This is RAYON FX GOAT. Tell me tell a full tank, get out. Full tank, get a left. Yeah. Yeah, because Mungon Antari. Carmon Antari, Holo is in a fuel pump or something. What in Chagger? Okay, sell a full tank, my man. All right. So I was talking about the issue of this thing of, you know, no, my brother, when I tell her these issues of relationships and marriages, you know, I met my wife in the days of darkness. Those days I had nothing. I was broke. I didn't have money, you know, and it was so tough in my life. But she stood with me and she supported me with her allowance. And I told her one of these words that she always remembers. You know, she would tell you that RAYON FX GOAT, these are the words that he told me. Listen very carefully. She said, my husband, I remember those days you told me. You said one of the days I will be rich. And you, as a student or as a graduate, as somebody who has a degree, you'll be asking money from me. You understand? And this is exactly what is happening as I'm talking to you right now. She is looking up to me. I told her, my wife, you need to serve me. You need to work for me. I can, you know, I can do things for you. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. DJ Latimi is watching. You know, I really appreciate you, my brother, DJ Latimi. Wherever you are, I love you so much. You know, this man is a great man. You know, I met him for the first time today. We spoke a lot about, you know, we spoke about a lot of things, and he advised me. You know, he's a big guy, he's a big brand, and I follow him. Latimi, wherever you're watching me from, my brother, I really appreciate your love. So let me get back to the point. I was saying, listen to me very carefully. Women, don't date a man because he has money or anything, and don't fall for him because of his money. Remember this. Money cannot buy love. Are you hearing me? Money, just money alone, it cannot buy love. So this is the advice that I want to give the women who are watching me out there. You know, and I gave an example with my wife because she was there for me. We met in the days of trouble when I was broke, literally broke. And that is why right now she is enjoying everything that I have now. She's enjoying it because she's the one who built everything for me. Are you hearing me? So listen, but Swana go like ping. Ke batla le ithute so se le sengwe hela. Botshelo bo batla o le humble, o rata batho, o sena pride, because kamoso, you cannot live forever. Kamoso, the people that you step on, the people that you take for granted, these are the people that will support you tomorrow. So let me just make a payment. Let me just make a payment. I'll get online. My brother. Hey, tamana dishegera. Yeah? No gibuzera. Ah la la. Sharp again. Mm. Where is my wallet? Oh, my wallet is here. I got it. I got it. This sharp again. Why did you? All right. All right. This is your boy RAYON FX the GOAT. Bishop. Sure, my brother. Okay. That I hate to sing. Big go about one again. Just wait for me. Just wait for me. I'm coming to give you an advices. Powerful advice. Hey, big man. What's up again? Okay. Right. Hello. Get a boy go holo na makwa melody. I have to travel and get some fuel. Get hasheli. Radi me hotel mon. Eh? Kela ito malanga no lo motelo. Eh? Okay, no problem. It's fine. It's fine. 800. Full tank. Ow. Tanga audinya nager. What a GD6. La mutu agera batson. Argetse GD6. Hey. This is a blessing from you, my man. Hey, no. Someone in a boa. Man. Uzura ga tsara sing. Nka be ke go nela singwe da them. Ke dira no. A sore ke go direle e-wallet. Uzurira. Mpela mbara ga go takwa. All right. Watching from Lesenepole. Thank you so much, my brother. Where's my phone? Oh. This is the phone that I'm using. You see, it's a number. I send a message. Get out there e-wallet. I want to bless this guy for his service. You know, it's very perfect. I'm happy with his service, and I cannot complain. 76 179 525. Get out there e-wallet. Just say hi, Rayon. My name is RAYON FX GOAT. Just say hi, Rayon. Get out there e-wallet. Thank you so much, my brother. Okay. Full tank. Thank you, Shell. Thank you, Shell. I'm on my way to Moshopa right now. And I believe we can now continue with our conversation so that I can bless other people with maybe e-wallets. Yeah, just stay connected wherever you are, and invite somebody to watch this video. You know, invite somebody, share the video as much as you can. Just share the video as much as you can. Tara check the comment tsa Batswana ga khatla re teng Duncan Ramasia Hopana. Thank you so much batho ba go khatla, you know. RAYON FX natara go batla mathata monata bangame Stephen Stifler Akuje. Are batho ba nata bangame. Watching from Lesenepole, Anointed Marineo Dingalo. Thank you so much. Let's see who is online right now and Maungo Gabusitwe, Duncan Ramasi Ahopana. Thank you so much, my brother, for the wise words. You know, I really appreciate. Much inspired. CD Marum. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. We were talking about the issues Jolo. You know, many people, they are in relationships because of what the partner has. You know, many people, they are in relationships because of what people are capable of doing. You know, somebody with I'm in a relationship with this guy because he's a celebrity or because he has money. That is just a wrong mindset. You know, it is very wrong, because you are not loving the person, you are in love with what he has. You know, and this is one of the best advices that I can give you. Basadi, hey, basadi. O tlo iphitlhela o le mosadi mogolo e leng gore ga a responsible ke motho hela in 10 years to come, 20 years to come. So be careful of what you are doing right now. It can haunt you, it can come back for you. Don't date a man because he has money. You know, this is a vice versa thing. And also, you iron men, be careful. Some men, they can date a woman because Musadio on a madi or go banking and more accounting. That is the most mistake you can do for your life. You know, stay humble, remember where you are coming from, and love people. And date because you love that person, not because you love what they have. You know, that is why I gave an example. My wife, she was there for me. She did not come to me because I have already money. I have money now already. No, she came to me back then when I was broke, and she's the one who was supporting me. She was supporting my life in everything: food, transport, like literally everything. You understand? So this is just an advice. I'm not saying this because we are the best couple or whatsoever. No, I'm saying this as an advice to the young people who are watching me right now as I'm talking to you. You know, this is just an advice. So it is not for everybody. It is for certain people who understand and who get the message very clearly. Are you hearing what I'm saying? So wherever you are, just know and believe that one of the days, you know, God will elevate you and He will do great things in your life, because we are blessed differently. We are blessed differently. Most of you, you want to trade Forex. I hear that you want to trade Forex and everything. But did God place you to trade Forex? Is it your skill? Is it your talent? Actually, is not. But why do you want to force things and where you always lose money and everything? You understand? So focus in what God has given you. If God has given you a job, appreciate that job. If God has given you a talent of being an auto mechanic, appreciate that. If God has given you a talent of being a musician, you know, an artist, where you will be o tshwana le banna ba tshwana le bo Latimiana, o tshwana le bo Vima and Pizzi, o tshwana le bo Chamagele. That is your talent. Stick to your line. Remain there. You understand? So we always lose things because we see somebody doing what we are looking for. You understand? So a lot of my followers, you know, they approach me with this mentality. Yeah, or I want to trade Forex because give up mad. Money is everywhere. You understand? Money is everywhere. You can make money in different platforms. Money is not only made in Forex. Money is made in business, in different businesses. You understand? Yeah. So this is the message that one of the main messages. I wanted to appreciate my wife for the good things that she's doing in my life and for standing with me. And those back days, you know, it was hard, very hard. No, let hard. Hey, no, let hard. How much? How much? How much? Mo mme a ka ema lo ena o sena madi. Hey, I've received a lot of information, a lot of messages. Batho ba bua gore hey mo Gaborone banyana ba Gaborone ba ira yana la na la na. I don't know about it. I'm not sure about it. But one thing I know is the most mistake that you can do in your life is to always fall for somebody because they have money. Hey, you'll be used. I'm telling you, you'll be used as an item. You'll be used as a product. You'll be used. Anything that includes money is business. You understand? So anything that includes money means business. So you can find yourself being used, and you can find yourself being, used by a woman or by men. So don't date people because they have money. Date people because you love them. Grow with those people. Build an empire. Build empires with those people. This is the powerful message that I can give you right now. And I want to appreciate my goat. This message is for you. This video, I did this for you. And I'm coming to Kasani tomorrow. I think tomorrow I'll be traveling to Kasani. And I'll be bringing your car to Kasani. You are so blessed, and I really appreciate your love towards me, and I really appreciate your support. So guys, listen, this is not bragging or anything. I'm not bragging, I'm not doing anything, and I'm not fighting any couple. I'm not saying we are perfect or whatsoever, but this is just an encouragement. This is just a message to the youth who are watching me right now. Guys, I love you, and we love you so much. And we are ready for this nation to support you and encourage you any way we can afford, So, but Francistown, I'll be in Francistown on Thursday. Remember, Latimi is coming to Kasani. But Kasani, Latimi utako Kasani ka Saturday. Please, this is my brother. We met today. I've been following this guy for a long time. We met today. And we spoke about a lot of things, like a lot of things. So he's a good guy, very humble man, very powerful man. I want you to support him. Saturday, otlabale ko Kasani, la team ba gaetso. Ramatheka, hey, Ramatheka. Ke hampinela monna a mpontsha gore ha ke motho a sepe. Under Rayon, nna ke gona go bina mister. Bona hela. Betsa le theka la team. Le thekelele ntse le re laka. So he will be in Kasani on Saturday. Go Trekkers Nightclub. So go and support him. Go and support our brother. Go and stand with him. Latimi, we appreciate you, my man, and we love you so much. May God bless you for the wonderful works that you are doing. And Batswana Kwalaping, my followers everywhere, wherever you're watching me from, please guys, let us support our artists in Botswana. Let us stand with them. Let us support them. And let's support each and everyone who is anything or service that they are providing to us. This time I just want to say, guys, please take care, drive safely wherever you are. It's unnecessary. So thank you so much, guys. I love you. God bless you. ayisithando sami anguba ngenani asofa sihlane yabonakala ayisithando sami. Wherever you are, I want to encourage you. Listen to me. You were born a star. Are you hearing me? You were born a star. Don't listen to what people are saying about your life. Don't listen to any critics. Focus on your dream and believe in yourself. Believe in what you want to achieve. Believe in what you want to do in your life. I want to assure you 100% that in 2 years to come, you'll be talk of the town. In 2 years to come, you'll be one of the people by law that will be recognized in the nation. I am telling you this according to my experience. And God is going to bless you so much that although He puts out what is happening, is it me or what? You understand? As long as you are focused, as long as you are dedicated to anything that you are doing, as long as you understand your goals, you understand the mission, and you understand the vision, I assure you, I promise you, you are going to make it. I want to promise you this message. You are going to make it. Whether ba rata kana ha ba rate, kgang ke gore o nne successful mo botshelong ba gago. You are born a star. You are born a star. Mama gago o go tshotse o le a star. Ibile ga gona ope yo ka emisang that blessing from God. I want to assure you this 100%. You know, I love you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. And let's meet tomorrow for our e-wallets, 4 p.m. I'm traveling, guys. I'm traveling. Thinking lost, young peace. You know, young child. Confoque-me, só. Young child, young child.